Hello and welcome back. I'm Ncert and today we will be studying part 3 of chapter 2, that is land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife. So guys, do you know what is natural vegetation and wildlife? Wait. First of all, tell me, where are you sitting? On a sofa? On a bed? Is there a table kept in front of you? Just look around and see that what is the material of your bed sheet? What is the material of your mama's sari? What is the material of your curtain? Do you know that? Is there any jute bag in your house? Do you use herbal plants or herbal medicines? All those materials, the saris made of silk, the silk scarf, the silk cloth, the furniture on which you are sitting, all those things comes from trees and plants. Timber, wood, medicines, herbal plants, the silk comes from silkworm. There are so many things which comes from plant and which we use in our daily life. Now the question arises, where does the natural vegetation and wildlife live? Does they live inside our house or in the locality? No, it only exists in zone of contact between lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Together it is called biosphere. And in biosphere, the living things are interrelated and interdependent on each other for survival. And this life supporting system is known as ecosystem. Now, do you know that what does plant do for us? Why are they important? They are important because they provide us tinder as wood. They provide us medicines. They give shelter to animals. They protect our soil, so essential for growing crops. They act as shelter belts. They provide us oxygen to breathe. They help in storage of underground water. They provide us medicines, latex, gums, also the paper which is essential for our studies. And you can add some more uses of plant and comment down some more uses of plant which you know in the comment box. Now this was about natural vegetation. It includes the plants, the trees, the shrubs, the herbs, everything. Now let's talk about wildlife. What do you mean by wildlife? Wildlife includes animals, insects, birds as well as aquatic life. They provide us milk, meat, hides and wool, and insects like bees provide us honey. They help in pollination of flowers and act as a decomposer. The birds feed on insects and they also act as decomposers in our environment. The decomposer are those animals, those birds who feed on dead livestock. One of the example is vulture. Vulture is considered a scavenger because of its ability to feed on dead livestock. It is also called a cleanser, a vital cleanser of our environment. And do you know that these vultures have become endangered species? So, animals big or small, they all are important to maintain balance in our ecosystem. Now let's talk about the distribution of natural vegetation. Major vegetation of the world is grouped as forests, grasslands, scrubs and tundra vegetation. Those areas which receive heavy rainfall, you can see in those areas huge trees may thrive. Thus, the forests are associated with the areas which have abundant water supply. And as the amount of moisture decreases, the size of trees and their density also decreases. The short trees and grasses grow in area of moderate rainfall and form grasslands of the world. The thorny shrubs and scrubs grow in the dry region of low rainfall. And today, to feed the growing numbers of population, large areas of forest have been cleared to grow crops and to build houses. Forest cover all over the world is vanishing rapidly, and there is an urgent need to conserve this valuable resource. Many species have become vulnerable or endangered, and some are even on the verge of extinction. Deforestation, soil erosion, landslides, tsunamis, constructional activities, all these are the human and natural factors due to which these species, the valuable resource, is on the verge of extinction. One of the major concerns is of animal poaching, and this results in sharp decline of particular number of species. The animals are poached for the collection and illegal trade of their teeth, skin, hides, nails, horns, even feathers. And some of the animals are lion, tiger, elephants, black buck, peacock, ostrich, and many other. And if you know those animals which are being poached for the collection or for illegal trade and for other purposes, just comment down those animals and their purpose in the comment box. And these can be conserved by spreading awareness. And how can we now spread awareness? We can spread awareness through the following methods, through the following ways: that natural parks, biodiversity parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biodiversity reserves, natural vegetation reserves, they are meant to be protected and to be conserved. Also, conservation of wetlands and lakes is necessary. Awareness programs like social forestry and Vana Mahotsav should be encouraged at community level and regional levels. Also, school children must be encouraged to bird watch and nature camps so that they appreciate the valuable resource of nature. And many countries have passed laws against illegal trading as well as killing of birds and animals. In India, the killing of lion, tigers, deers, the great Indian bustards and peacock is illegal. And do you know about CITES, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora? It is an international agreement between governments. It aims to ensure that international trade of wild animals and plants does not threaten their survival. With this, we end this chapter. And remember that conservation of plants and animals is an ethical duty of every citizen. Very soon we will be back with an interesting video on an interesting topic. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay alert in this scenario. Please stay healthy and build your immune stronger. Eat healthy diet every day. And also like, share, subscribe and comment.